How to log in into your AOL Mail account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in your Safari, in the source bar, search for AOL Mail login. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you in this page. In here, you have to head over to the very first site. You will be landing on the official page of AOL. If you don't have your account yet, then you can create a new account by clicking on Create an Account. Once you click on Create an Account, follow the on-screen process and your account will be created. But if you already have your account, then in here you have to enter your username or your email address or your phone number. Once you have entered, tap on Next. After that, you have to enter the password of your account and then click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be successfully logged into your specific account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your AOL Mail account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.